The first, I'd say maybe 4 or 5 days when the COVID-19 news was really hitting, and a lot of people were scared if we'd follow the other countries and maybe go into the lockdown that we're in right now. People started getting worried. And that's whenever I started to do financial projections, because I saw that our sales were going down, pretty significantly every single day. It'd go down more and more each day. So after I ran my financial projections, I saw that we're in danger of we're possibly gonna have to let go of some employees or cut some hours. So I definitely needed to have a staff meeting immediately and let my staff know. So we had a staff meeting, and I told my staff that, this is the last thing I want to do. And I'm going to do everything in my power to try and keep everyone's jobs and keep everyone employed to the fullest, with all of their hours, same pay and everything. I told them that I can't make any promises or anything, but we're going to try. And I told them, I will literally do anything it takes. They are, they mean everything to me. They fuel my business. And I told them that, I'm going to do whatever it takes. If that means I can't take a profit, if that means I have to dip into personal money to put that into my business, or, just anything, if I have to get a loan, whatever it takes, I'm going to do whatever it takes to keep us open and keep everyone employed. I run a couple other businesses, and I've owned a couple businesses in the past, and I always follow the same policy, and it's always worked really well for me. Caring about other people, and in this case, caring about our customers, putting them first. That has really shown to naturally just help us out so much, because when we put our customers first, when we think about them first, and they can tell and see that we care, they also, in return, show us their support. So immediately when all of this started happening, I started, brainstorming, thinking, how can we help our community? How can we help everyone? How can we get into a position where we're helping them and they're helping us? Because if everyone's helping each other, I really believe that we'll all be okay. If we're all fighting and trying to, survive on our own, things can get messy. I really think it's important that, everyone just gets together and we do this together as one big, strong community. I decided to start giving discounts. I wanted to see what we could provide. We're a business, so we have access to a few more things that normal people don't. We work with distributors. We can, there's a lot of things that we can get and we can help, and we've done that. That's probably the biggest thing. Some other things that really help a lot is, of course, discounts help, making dining out more affordable. If we're charging the same prices, most people, they can't afford to be eating out 2 or 3 times a day at full menu prices, especially with what's going on, because a lot of people are being laid off. A lot of people are losing hours. It's getting hard to afford dining out. So we had to try and lower the price as low as we could go, to where we could stay alive, and at the same time we could make it more affordable. We definitely need to make it a lot more convenient for customers, and we had to keep their health concerns in mind. So curbside pickup and drive-through are 2 things that really help a lot. We are still open for lobby, but we do urge people to utilize our curbside and drive-through. Just for the sake of convenience, we do keep our lobby open, also because we're selling bags of flour and rice, and these are 50-pound bags. So it kind of helps us if customers want to come pick it up themselves. But we'll also take it out to their cars too.